Welcome. This is one of my favorites. It's decluttering. Thanks for joining. Here we go. Decluttering sounds simple in theory. In practice, it often feels like opening a closet door and being greeted by 20 years of life choices. Whether you're preparing to sell your home, planning a downsizing move, or simply craving a calmer, more manageable space, decluttering is one of the most important and misunderstood steps in the process. The good news: decluttering doesn't have to be rushed, ruthless, or emotionally exhausting. When approached room by room with a clear plan, it becomes far more manageable and far less stressful. Start with a plan, not the entire house. One of the biggest decluttering mistakes homeowners make is trying to do everything at once. That's a fast track to burnout. Before you begin, focus on one room or category at a time. Gather boxes or bins labeled keep, donate, sell, and discard. Schedule a donation drop off date early. Decluttering works best when it's intentional, not impulsive. Start with the entryway. First impressions matter. The entryway sets the tone for your home, both for you and for potential buyers. Remove excess shoes, coats, and bags. Clear surfaces and hooks. Keep only seasonal items accessible. Donate outerwear that's no longer used. Less clutter here instantly makes the home feel more open and welcoming. Next, living room. This is where you want to create space to live, not store. Living rooms often become display areas for everything. Clear coffee tables and side tables. Edit decor and decorative items. Donate books you won't reread. Remove excess furniture to improve flow. And store or donate extra throw pillows and blankets. If the room feels easier to walk through, you're on the right track. Next, kitchen. Function over gadgets. Kitchens are high use spaces, which means clutter accumulates quickly. Clear countertops of non daily items. Remove duplicate utensils and gadgets. Donate small appliances you rarely use. And clear expired pantry items. Also, edit dishware. A decluttered kitchen feels larger, cleaner, and more enjoyable to use. Next stop, bedrooms. Calm, not crowded. Bedrooms should feel restful, not like storage units with a bed in them. Declutter nightstands, remove excess furniture, donate clothing not worn in the past year, edit shoes and accessories, and clear underbed storage. If it doesn't fit, doesn't feel good, or doesn't match your current lifestyle, it may be time to let it go. Next stop, bathrooms. Keep what you use. Bathrooms benefit quickly from decluttering. Dispose of expired medications and cosmetics. Declutter drawers and cabinets. Keep one spare set of towels. Remove unused hair tools and products. Clean counters and simple storage make a great visual impact. Office and paperwork. Reduce the paper trail. Paper clutter creates mental clutter. Shred your outdated documents. Digitize what you can by scanning it into your computer. Organize important paperwork into labeled folders. Keep desk surfaces clear. Keep what's necessary, not what's just in case. Next stop, closets, storage, and utility areas. These spaces quietly collect clutter over time. Remove items kept out of habit. Consolidate seasonal decor. Label storage bins clearly, and donate unused luggage, bags, or equipment. If you haven't used it in years, it's probably not essential. Next stop, garage and shed. Space is valuable. Garages and sheds are often the final frontier. Remove broken tools or equipment, donate or sell items unused for 2 years or more, and group like items together. Clear floor space where possible. Even partial decluttering here makes a noticeable difference. Sentimental items. Go slowly. This is where emotions tend to show up, and that's completely normal. Choose important keepsakes rather than keeping everything. Photograph items before donating if that's helpful for you. Create a memory box with clear boundaries. Decluttering isn't about erasing memories, it's about keeping the ones that matter most. And your final step, acknowledge progress. Decluttering is real work, physically and emotionally. Take a moment to recognize what you've accomplished, celebrate your progress. It's not perfection. Schedule your next session while momentum is high. And remember, decluttering isn't about having less, it's about creating space for the life you're moving into, especially when downsizing or preparing for your next chapter. And if it feels emotional at times, that's not clutter talking, that's a life well lived. We'll see you on the next round.